That's the exhaust system. Ain't she nice? It's silver camo with a broken light. Light still works, it's just the cover. Yamaha. Ooh. It's got doors. Amazing. And a roof. And a rear view mirror. Shit, hold on. I didn't put the tripod, I didn't put the camera over it. And it's got a rear view mirror. Good now. Gotta make sure good. Probably similar. Gotta be properly closed. Go. Close the black latches. There. So I'll show you where the gas tank is. That's the gas tank. That's the redneck lash to make the hood pop. Well, I don't want to do it because there's a camera case in the back. Gas and brake pedals, the automatic shifter. There's a radio that does not work. That's where the 4x4 is. Right here, you push that. Look at the gauge now, I'm 4-wheel drive. That's differential lock. Push that. I got I'm not a 2-wheel, I'm not a 4-wheel. Tires are a little bit worn out. And it's got a good hitch. I'll turn it off now. It's warm. So I just turned it off so you can hear me better. Good. It's got the box latches. Pop the hood to pop the tailgate open. And yeah, this is a fine, fast machine. Only dealio is that it only goes up to 40 miles an hour, which is about 20 kilometers. Cool. This thing is not made for racing. It's made to do work. If you would like to buy it, $9,995. Cool. That's the garage door I'm selling it at. I don't know if you could see, but way over there. That's the name of our garage. I don't know if you can see it, but wait, let me get. There's the electric poles. Beside that somewhere, oh, right here. Van car. To all you YouTubers who need a Rhino, it's get one here or don't get one at all. Cool.